Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out on Happen. I wonder why you want to know how to log out on Happen. Maybe because you're having some issues with your account and someone suggested you to log out and log in again and the issues will be resolved. So you want to try it. Or maybe you have created another account, or maybe now you think that you no longer need your account. So you just want to log out on it. Or there could be any other reason for you to log out on Happen. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can log out on Happen. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Happen app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account, because if you're not logged in then you couldn't log out. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Happen app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of options almost all over the screen. Right now we are in the browse section. As you could see at the bottom, we have 5 options. So right now we are on the second. Once you are here, just simply click onto your profile picture, which is on the top right. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to load the contents and then you will be able to see this page. Here you could see your profile picture, your name, your age, and some other premium options. Now here what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on to this settings option, which is at the top. Simply tap on it and then you will see the title of configurations, and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. From all these options at the bottom we have this option which says logout. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to load, and after that you will see that you are onto the login page. That means you have successfully logged out of your account. Here you don't have to worry that what will happen to your data, like if you're into talking with someone, whatever will happen to your personal information, your account, your age, your name, another step. Like if you're worried that these things will be deleted or removed, so don't worry, everything will be in your account. Once you log in again, you will get back everything. Nothing will be lost. You just have to simply use your email address that you used when you created your account, and you will successfully get back everything in your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can log out on Happen. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.